Today, we're diving into the pulse of the developer community to check out some of the most exciting top-trending open-source GitHub projects for developers. Whether you're building web applications, managing backends, working with AI, or just looking to streamline your development workflow, there's something incredible on this list for you. We'll be exploring projects that help you kickstart full-stack apps, simplify backend infrastructure, enhance your command line experience, create stunning user interfaces, and even manage multi-boot USB drives with ease. Let's jump right in and see what these projects have to offer.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Titan, full-stack web app template with Next.js 15. If you're a developer aiming to build a modern web application quickly, Titan is a project worth exploring. Created by reactive, Titan is a full-stack template that combines several cutting-edge technologies to streamline the development process. What makes Titan unique is its integration of Next.js 15, the latest version of the popular React framework, with better auth for authentication and Drizzle for database management. This combination allows for efficient server-side rendering, secure user authentication, and seamless interaction with a PostgreSQL database. The template also incorporates Tailwind CSS v4 and GPUI, providing a set of pre-designed components and utility classes that make it easier to create responsive and visually appealing user interfaces. This means you can focus more on building features rather than worrying about design from scratch. Another standout feature is Titan's support for social logins, including Google, GitHub, and Discord. This is facilitated through better auth, which simplifies the process of integrating OAuth providers into your application. For database operations, Titan uses Drizzle, which offers type-safe queries and a developer-friendly API. This ensures that your interactions with the database are both secure and efficient. Setting up Titan is straightforward. With Docker support, you can easily spin up a local development environment. The project also provides clear instructions for configuring environment variables and running migrations, making it accessible even for those new to full-stack development. In summary, Titan stands out as a comprehensive and modern template for building full-stack web applications. Its thoughtful integration of the latest technologies and tools makes it a valuable starting point for developers looking to accelerate their project development. Project number 2, Appwrite, open-source backend platform for web and mobile apps. Appwrite is an open-source backend as a service (BaaS) platform that simplifies backend development for web and mobile applications. It provides developers with a suite of tools and services, including user authentication, databases, storage, and serverless functions, all accessible through a unified API. What sets Appwrite apart is its self-hosted nature, giving developers full control over their infrastructure and data. Unlike other BaaS providers, Appwrite allows you to run your backend on your own servers or preferred cloud providers, ensuring data privacy and compliance with organizational policies. Appwrite's modular architecture is designed for scalability and flexibility. Its services are packaged as Docker containers, making deployment and management straightforward. Developers can easily integrate Appwrite into their existing workflows and customize it to fit their specific needs. The platform supports multiple programming languages and frameworks, providing SDKs for JavaScript, Flutter, Dart, and more. This broad compatibility ensures that developers can use Appwrite across various projects and technology stacks. In summary, Appwrite offers a comprehensive, open-source solution for backend development, combining the convenience of a BaaS with the flexibility and control of self-hosting. Its robust feature set and developer-friendly approach make it a compelling choice for building secure and scalable applications. Project number 3, Ghost Downloader 3, an AI-enhanced, cross-platform multi-threaded downloader. Ghost Downloader 3 is a modern, open-source downloader that combines speed, intelligence, and a sleek design. Built with Python and PyQt, it offers a user-friendly interface inspired by Fluent design, making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. What sets Ghost Downloader 3 apart is its AI-boosted download acceleration. By intelligently managing multiple download threads, it optimizes bandwidth usage, ensuring faster and more efficient downloads. This smart chunking method eliminates the need for manual file merging, streamlining the process. The tool is truly cross-platform, supporting Windows, including Windows 7, Mac OS, and Linux. Its adaptability extends to various architectures like x86-64 and ARM64, ensuring broad compatibility. Additionally, Ghost Downloader 3 offers browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox, allowing users to initiate downloads directly from their browsers. Customization is another highlight. Users can adjust global settings, set speed limits, and schedule tasks according to their preferences. The application also supports multiple languages, catering to a diverse user base. Developed by Xiaoyu, a dedicated high school student, Ghost Downloader 3 exemplifies the power of community-driven projects. Its open-source nature encourages collaboration, with contributors continuously enhancing its features and performance. In summary, Ghost Downloader 3 stands out as a fast, intelligent, and customizable downloader suitable for users across different platforms. Its combination of AI acceleration, cross-platform support, and user-centric design makes it a valuable tool for efficient downloading. Project number 4, Arcade AI, simplifying tool integration for AI agents. Imagine you're building an AI assistant and need it to interact with various services like Gmail, Slack, or GitHub. Traditionally, this would involve writing complex code to handle each service's API and authentication. Enter Arcade AI, a developer platform designed to streamline this process. Arcade AI provides a Python SDK and CLI that allow you to build, deploy, and manage tools for AI agents effortlessly. With Arcade, you can create powerful, secure tools that your agents can use to interact with the world. One of the standout features of Arcade is its ability to handle authentication seamlessly. For instance, if your AI agent needs to access a user's Gmail account, Arcade manages the OAuth flow, ensuring secure and authorized access without requiring you to write additional code. Furthermore, Arcade offers client libraries in multiple languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Go, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. This flexibility ensures that you can integrate Arcade into your existing projects with minimal effort. In essence, Arcade AI simplifies the integration of external tools into your AI agents, allowing you to focus on building intelligent features rather than dealing with the intricacies of API interactions and authentication. It's a valuable resource for developers looking to enhance their AI applications with real-world capabilities. Project number 5, Microsoft Edit, a modern command-line text editor for Windows developers. Introducing Microsoft Edit, a lightweight and user-friendly command-line text editor designed to enhance the developer experience on 64-bit Windows systems. Developed in Rust and open-sourced under the MIT license, Edit brings a modern touch to the classic MS-DOS editor, filling the gap left by the absence of a built-in CLI editor in newer Windows versions. What sets Microsoft Edit apart is its focus on simplicity and accessibility. Unlike traditional modal editors like Vim, Edit offers a modeless interface, eliminating the learning curve associated with mode-switching commands. This design choice ensures that even developers unfamiliar with terminal-based editors can navigate and edit files with ease. Despite its compact size, less than 250 kilobytes, Edit is packed with features that cater to modern development needs. It supports multi-file editing with easy switching using Ctrl+P, find and replace functionality with regular expression support, word wrapping, and comprehensive key bindings for all menu options. These capabilities are presented within a text user interface, TUI, that feels intuitive and responsive. Microsoft Edit is currently available through the Windows Insider program and can be installed via the Windows Package Manager using the command winged install Microsoft Edit. Its open-source nature invites community contributions, allowing developers to participate in its ongoing development and refinement. In summary, Microsoft Edit reimagines the command-line text editing experience by combining the nostalgia of classic editors with the functionality and user-friendliness required by today's developers. It's a testament to Microsoft's commitment to enhancing the developer ecosystem on Windows. Project number 6, Magic UI, animated UI components for design engineers. If you're a developer or designer aiming to craft visually engaging websites effortlessly, Magic UI is a tool worth exploring. This open-source library offers over 150 animated components and effects built with React, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Framer Motion. What sets Magic UI apart is its focus on design engineers. Unlike traditional UI libraries that provide basic components, Magic UI offers a collection of animated elements like bento grids, tweet cards, and dynamic backgrounds. These components are not only visually appealing but also easy to integrate, allowing developers to enhance their projects without extensive design work. Magic UI is designed to complement existing UI frameworks, particularly Shadn/UI, making it a versatile addition to your development toolkit. Its components are highly customizable, enabling seamless adaptation to match your desired branding and design requirements. Moreover, Magic UI offers a pro version that includes over 50 pre-designed blocks and templates. These templates can significantly speed up the development process, especially when building landing pages or marketing sites. In summary, Magic UI bridges the gap between design and development by providing a rich set of animated components tailored for design engineers. Its ease of use, customization options, and compatibility with existing frameworks make it a valuable resource for creating stunning user interfaces. Project number 7, Ventoy, simplifying bootable USB creation with multi-ISO support. In the realm of bootable USB creation, Ventoy emerges as a game-changer by allowing users to copy multiple ISO files directly onto a USB drive without the need for repeated formatting. This open-source tool streamlines the process, enabling a boot menu that lets you select from various operating systems or tools upon startup. What sets Ventoy apart is its ability to support a wide range of image formats, including ISO, WIM, IMG, VHD, X, and EFI files. Once installed on a USB device, you can add or remove these files as needed, and Ventoy will automatically detect them, presenting a list to choose from during boot. This flexibility eliminates the traditional hassle of reformatting the drive for each new installation. Ventoy's compatibility extends to both legacy BIOS and UEFI systems, including Secure Boot, ensuring it works across various hardware configurations. It also supports large ISO files over 4 GB and offers persistent support for certain Linux distributions, allowing you to save changes between sessions. The tool's user-friendly interface and plugin support further enhance its functionality, providing customization options to suit different user needs. Whether you're a system administrator, developer, or tech enthusiast, Ventoy simplifies the process of managing multiple bootable environments on a single USB drive. In essence, Ventoy revolutionizes the way we create and use bootable USB drives, offering a versatile and efficient solution for multi-boot scenarios. And there you have it, a look at some of the top trending open-source GitHub projects specifically for developers this week. These projects highlight the power and innovation within the open-source developer community. They are all freely available for you to use, contribute to, and learn from. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments which of these projects you're most excited to try out. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into trending open source tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.